Hello students, this is your English teacher and today we are going to study about letter writing. We all know what is a letter. A letter is a written message that is sent from one person to another and it is sent in an envelope. Types of letters. Now see, there are two types of letters, formal and informal. Formal letter means applications that you're sending to your principal or teacher or an editor or any official person. The language of this letter is very polite, very formal, whereas informal letters are written to family members and friends. In this video, we're going to talk about formal letter. Now, formal letters. Formal letters are letters that we write to editors, principals, teachers, officers, companies, clients and vendors. They are different from informal letters in tone and style. It has a polite and formal tone and uses formal language. You're never going to ask the person, how are you doing, how's everyone in your family? No, you have to be very formal and polite. And it also uses formal language and etiquette. Etiquette means manner. We write formal letters in order to make inquiries, send formal replies, request for something, complain against somebody. So these are the reasons to write a formal letter. Inquiry, formal replies, requesting something and complaining about someone. Thus, letters to and from teachers, principals, officials, heads of departments, and editors are examples of formal letters. Now, format of a formal letter. First thing, sender's address. Then leave one line, date. The format of the date that is acceptable is date, month, and the year. No other format is acceptable. No comma, no th. Then leave one line, receiver's designation. Designation means the post of the person. Then without leaving any line, receiver's address. Then leave one line, subject of the letter. What is this letter about? Then leave one line, salutation, respected sir or ma'am. Then without leaving any line, start off with the content. First paragraph, introduction. Second paragraph, elaborate the subject. Third paragraph, closing of the letter. Then after leaving one line, subscription. Subscription means yours sincerely. And how do you write yours? Y-O-U-R-S. No apostrophe. This is the correct spelling of yours. Yours sincerely. And then the name of the person who's writing the letter. Now, types of formal letters. Letter to editor and official or complaint letters. Now, in this video, we're going to talk about official or complaint letters. Now, these are the rules of complaint letters or official letters. Layout. The letter begins with the complete address of the sender, followed by the date, then receiver's designation and address, then subject of the letter, then salutation, then body of the letter, the closing, subscription and sender's name. Then tone and level of formality. The tone of a formal letter is formal and it is always polite. Purpose. A formal letter has a very clear objective. The body of the letter must clearly state the purpose. See, if you're writing an informal letter, there might be or might not be a reason. Maybe you're missing your friend, that is just a reason. But to write a formal letter, you must have a reason. You cannot say to a person that I'm missing you, that's why I'm writing this letter. So you should have a proper aim, proper goal while writing a formal letter. Language. The language is formal and straightforward. Be very clear and don't beat around the bush. Don't beat around the bush means come straight to the point. Don't ask about the family or how is he or what is he doing these days. That doesn't concern you. So I hope these rules are clear. Sample letter. Now this is the receiver's address. 21 ABC Colony, Sector 2, Meerut. Leave one line. Date 20 May 2020. No comma, no th. Leave one line. The municipal commissioner. The receiver's designation. Meerut Municipal Corporation, Meerut. This is the receiver's address. Then leave one line. Subject of the letter. Request for spraying insecticides in ABC Colony. Then after leaving one line, salutation, that is respected sir. Then without leaving any line, with due respect, I would like to bring to your kind notice that I am a resident of ABC Colony. I am writing to request you to send a pest control team to spray insecticides to kill mosquitoes that cause malaria and dengue. Now this is the introduction of the content. Second paragraph, as you know, the monsoon season is in full swing and so is the mosquito menace. More and more residents are falling victims to these dreaded diseases caused by mosquito bites. Clinics and hospitals are full of such patients. 3 residents of our society have already lost their lives due to dengue. Now you're elaborating your problem. Then third paragraph, if you kindly step up the effort to kill mosquitoes and their larvae through fogging and other means, the residents can save themselves from mosquito bites and the consequent disease. Now this is the closing. Then looking forward to a prompt action. Thank you. Yours sincerely, XYZ. Now why did I put these words in green letters? Because these words will be used in every official or complaint letter. So I hope this is clear. So this is it. In next video, we are going to talk about letter to editor. I hope this concept is clear. If you have any sort of doubt, please feel free to approach me. Thank you.